Hi guys, this is Wilson with Anchors Away Travel. We are in Montego Bay, Jamaica at the Royal Caribbean Resort. We just took a little boat ride over to the private island. And before I head over to that private island, I just want to give you a quick glimpse of the Over the Water Bungalows. These things are unbelievable. You gotta check this out. Unfortunately, we're not able to get inside today. They're fully occupied. These things get booked out like 2 years in advance. It's insane. These things are crazy. You got some small ones here. They've got some soaking tubs, and then you've got those right there, which again you can't see the other side. And those are much bigger. Hi guys, how you doing? They've got glass bottom floors in these rooms. They've got over the water hammocks and the bigger ones here. And it really is, this is a bucket list type situation. We would highly recommend actually doing a split stay. This might be great for an anniversary, a wedding, a birthday, where you maybe stay here 3 days and stay on the main property, which I'll zoom in, which is right there. For your remainder of your stay, I'll stay there and then finish off here. That resort right next door there is actually the Rio right next door to Sandals. So anyway, as you can see, there's a little area here for guys to go snorkeling. And I'll walk you right towards the private island. The Over the Water Bungalows come with a butler. As a matter of fact, here comes one right now. Butler service. How you doing, sir?
Hey, how are you?
Good, yourself?
Good.
And they are there at every beck and call. But it really is amazing, guys. I mean, you want to chill out, you want to relieve stress. This is the place to be. So you have a few restaurants out here. You got a small swim-up bar. Obviously, the pool that goes along with the swim-up bar. So it's a great little place to escape from the main resort area if you want something that's a little quieter. This is it. Here's our little friend. Keep an eye on things. This swim-up bar. You have a little beach area here. Absolutely beautiful. Pool. So it's pretty small actually here. This is the Royal Thai restaurant, and this is a reservation only restaurant, so make sure you make your reservations the day you get here. And let me show it to you real quick. So it's got a nice kind of Asian theme to it. It's really cool. Got a nice outdoor patio seating area. And this is primarily for dinner time. This is not a lunch restaurant, it is a dinner restaurant. We've got some nice plexiglass out here just to break the wind a little bit, just in case it gets chilly at night. I'll tell you though, there's some nice breezes coming by here right now, and it feels amazing, especially when you're in 85, 90 degree heat like we are right now. It's also a nice little private little beach area here. Just trying to get a sneak peek for you. awesome.